It's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans, and today I'm going to take you round a 2023 73 plate delivery mileage crafter that we have just created and got up for sale here. So as you can see, it's in Indium Grey, and this is the long wheelbase high roof version. Most popular one, great for conversion or for work purposes. So I'll show you around it, tell you a bit about it. So spec wise, this one's got a great spec. It's the 177 PS auto. It's got factory LED lights. As you can see, we've colour coded the front bumper and added in some gloss black bits as part of our gloss black pack. It's got the front splitter on it too. Modified satin badge. Really transforms the front there. Got front and rear park sensors on this one. 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with General Grabber AT3 tyres, so very good road manners, but also capable on slightly rougher terrain. Smoked the lenses on the side repeaters there and the side marker lights, and it has got the full length running boards down there too. Now this is a 3-seater van, so it's got the double seat in the front here, and then the single driver's seat with armrest. Factory leatherette, so really nice hardware and finish, but comfortable too. This one's got Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on the head unit there. Some really nice factory options here. We've got heated seats, heated front screen, and a heated steering wheel. Now those things in winter are absolute godsends, I'll tell you. Other stuff, we've got cruise control and a leather multifunction steering wheel. Does have a reversing camera too. It's got all the essential bits that you would need on there. Got the rubber mats on the floor too. In the rear, it's got the standard ply flooring, and we've left the rest of it blank. So you can decide exactly how you want it configuring, whether you want to remove the bulkhead and do a motorhome type conversion, or whether you just want to ply it out and use it as a work van. Choice is totally up to you. Another really good option on these is the full width rear step. Just makes getting in and out so much easier. As you can see again on the rear, colour coded and black bits all taken care of. The high level camera is up here, that's factory camera. And looking through the rear door, you can see that interior space from another angle. It's quite a long lead time on these. We've had to wait a considerable amount of time for this one to come into stock. A bit different from everything else out there as well, with the styling and the spec on it. A delivery mileage vehicle, only done 27 miles from new. Now it's worth mentioning this has got the business pack with the air conditioning and over cab storage. Has got auto lights too, not standard. And heated electrically adjustable wing mirrors. So to summarise, a 177 auto long wheelbase high roof on a 73 plate. Great spec and styling. And we've got 20 plus photos and a full written description on our website, which is justnicevans.co.uk. We do take part exchange and we can offer finance facilities. So if you're interested in this vehicle, then please do get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.